Hi guys, Retro Django here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this Amiga 1200. I just got it, and to my big surprise, listen to this, guys. There we go. There we go. Something is loose. Something is making some bad sounds inside. It's dirty. It's got a crack. Yeah, it's got a crack here. Oh, look here, it's cracked. Oh, the help button is cracked also. If you could take a look in there, and we have a crack here. Oh, something is just loose inside. It has never been opened. That's a good sign. Oh, which means no grill builds has been recapping this Amiga. I have had no issues with bad caps in any of my Amiga 1200s. Amiga 600s, recap them right away. Amiga 500s, no problem with caps, nothing. 1200s, I never had any issues. I have read about it, but they just work. If you want to recap it, if you know what you're doing, go ahead and recap it. If you're a grill build, don't exercise your recapping skills on Amiga 1200, please. Look at that button, guys. Button number 1 here. I think it's some sort of food residue from 1996 or something like that. So it's an old Amiga, it's an old computer, but let's just open this one and take a look inside together. How do we open one of these? They have got 3 screws down here and 2 on each side. So pretty simple stuff. Let's just open this one together. Look at this, guys. The warranty seal is still intact. 3 to 1. Not anymore. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open this beauty and see. I think it's the RF shield, something that's cracked inside. Let's see the motherboard. Maybe we have some caps that are leaking, just like on the Amiga 600s. Oh man, I have been so unlucky. Don't say Amiga 600 to me. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this one for the first time without breaking. At the back side here we have some plastic parts. Alright. Oh man, it's dusty inside. It's just so dusty inside. So we have the power connector for the LED here. We'll just take it out and lift the keyboard gentle now. We have 30-year-old dust inside. It's so gross, but it is what it is, guys. Alright. It's dusty. So let's just remove this one. And oh, this doesn't look good. I have never seen anything like this before in an Amiga 1200. Amiga 500, yes, but not in an Amiga 1200. So let's just go ahead and lift this and then gently remove this. Oh, okay. 30-year-old dead spider. Okay, let's just put it like this. Oh man, look at the condition. It's got rust and corrosion on the shield. Wow. Well, it doesn't look good, guys. I don't know if this was a good idea, but yeah, let's just go ahead and pull everything out and and see what's going on. We have a screw at the left side. You can't see it, but I just took it off here. Man, this doesn't look good. The holder for the hard disk here. What I'm thinking about right now, these protects the RAM here. I just don't hope that this one got down here on the RAM and the previous owner gave it power. That could just shorten everything. So if that happened, we will probably have a green screen when I turn this computer on. Let's just, yeah, I don't have high hopes for this, but it is what it is, guys. It's an old computer. So we have two screws here at the back side holding the floppy drive. Oh man, look at all this. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. So generally, rust and corrosion in a 30-year-old computer is not something I would recommend. So if you don't know what you're doing, pay some more and buy an Amiga that has been checked. Oh man, this one needs a lot of work. But, we love stuff like this, right? All right. Okay. Do we have some corrosion in here? No. Okay, let's just keep on pulling everything out. So, yeah, the motherboard here. Let's just remove it. Look at this. Whoa, man. This is something else. Wow. Do you think this one will boot up? Come on, guys. What are the odds for that? So let's just remove these thingies here. Oh, it's not rust, man. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I thought it was dirt, but it is rust and corrosion. I think this one has been stored outside. And this is what happens with our old lovely Amigas if you don't take care of them. But still, I'm gonna do everything I can to give this one new life. I love to save Amigas. It is such a nice, satisfying feeling when everything just works again. So let's go ahead and remove this and look at the board, ma'am. Come on. Some people like to sand down this shield and paint it and stuff like that and put it on again. I always pull them out and give it to a friend I have. And your Amiga will be so happy if you just remove these shields, man. There will be much more air circulation inside, or just air, plain air, man. Wow. All right. So let's just take a look here. First thing you want to check is over here. So on Amiga 600s, 95% of them, these four will be green. This one looks fine. The next thing I want to check is actually, if you see these caps, look at their soldering points. If they are dark gray, then it's an indication of leakage. But if they're blank, shiny like this one, again, another stinky looking Amiga 1200 that's been outside and rusted and corroded, no issues with the caps. I mean, when someone puts an Amiga 1200 for sale, everybody's just shouting out, "Ah, this green cap, take it easy, okay?" You can just take it easy, okay? Again, I have had no trouble with the Amiga 1200s, man. Nothing. Except when I bought it from Grill Bills. So this one, trust me, I have no issues with connecting this one and give it some power. It is a revision 2B, yeah. So all in all, the board looks fine. So let's just give it some power. I just gave it some power, and it's looking for a floppy and a hard disk. Oh, yes. Wow. Wow, man. It's just crazy, man. Let's go ahead and connect the floppy drive that came with this one. Maybe it can read disks. So I will just connect that and check it out. All right, we just boot it with the floppy drive. Let me just look this. We have this connector here. This one has to be pushed down. Oh man, it works. That will tell the Amiga that a floppy is inserted. So usually I have to open this one and clean the connectors here. That's nice. The other thing is we have to clean the floppy drive itself, of course, but what we are going to do is actually we are taking some alcohol here with this nice floppy disk that has been used 9 times back in 1992, and yeah. All right, we're just gonna try that one more time. Okay, that's nice. So, everything is just ew. One thing I want to share with you guys is actually when you do stuff like this, if this was an Amiga 600, 99% it will smell so fishy by now because of leaky caps. Those Amiga 600s, oh my god. Amiga, Commodore Amiga, what's it with the CD? CD32, also leaky caps. But yeah, this is nice. So it boots, caps looks okay. This one has been cleaned. I don't know if I should call it cleaned, but you know what I mean, okay. The thing is, we have some caps for the audio. They can leak, and if they have done that, they can destroy the traces. Again, I have found out about it on an Amiga 600, and the sound will be missing or it will be really bad. So we're gonna test, picture is perfect, so let's just test the audio and see what's going on, if it can read. It can't read. So the floppy drive has to be cleaned the proper way, guys. But all in all, I'm happy with this. So I have got this Gotek drive with an external installation. So we're just gonna take out. Oh. Okay. Maybe I know what the problem was. Maybe. So wait a second, guys. Maybe it will work. Because the cable was just almost all the way out. So let's just give it a go one more time before we test it with Gotek. It wasn't put in the proper way, the cable. Come on. Come on. Ah, yes! Oh, that's great! That's awesome, man! Wow! We have great audio, great picture, dusty, crappy looking keyboard, case, everything, but it just needs some cleaning, and this Amiga is gonna be super nice, man. I need some new keys here. I mean, look at this. Cracked here, cracked here. This is gone, man. And this one is missing on the side also. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it's only 30 years old. But as I can see, they're the only two keys that are correct. Yeah, other than that, it just looks really dirty, but I think it's okay. So I'm gonna be hunting down some new keycaps for these. Wow, man! Listen to this. Commando. Sounds like Commando, Commodore 64. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 1. I'm going to start cleaning, buying some new parts, and when I'm ready, I'm going to upload part 2 and share my happiness with you guys. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see when part 2 is ready. Other than that, I want to thank my subscribers. I love you guys. I want to thank my Patreon supporters, and I hope you will also support this channel, guys, so I can buy more of these and restore them together with you guys. Have a great day out there. Bye. Yeah.